Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Today I want to show you how to implement a custom hook called useDebounce. Right now I have this page that fetching data from the fake store API. When I search for something, the result update immediately. You can look. The problem here is that if I type quickly or type upload, it causes too many renders, which can make the app look and feel sluggish. Let me show you the code. So I only had to use stay only one for the product and the other for the search terms. And I also have a use effect that handle fetching data from the API. And here I just have the basic filter, and here I have the standard HTML, and here I just have the standard HTML. And now I want to go to create a folder hook. I will create a component useDebounce. Perfect. Here, so I want to start creating the hook. I will type export function useDebounce. It will type definite. It will take value. I have compiled, but I will not use it. Delay number. I will open. I will import useState. I will use the snippet. I will I will call this useState like the bounce value. Perfect. I will take and we'll take the value input. But now I want to import use effect. Perfect. I will use the snippet. I will remove this part. I will type timer, set timeout. I will open function. I will take the value here. I will put delay, and now I will return clear timeout. I will put timer, and here I will put delay and value, and I only had to return the bounce value. And now we create the hook use bounce. So now I only need to go to the page app. I want to put counts the bounce search. I will put use the bounce. Here I will take the value search and I will put 500. And now I will take this value and I will use it here. Now if I go to the input, if I type something, I will type max torrents. It will take 500 milliseconds. So you can play with that. If I go to the code, if here I put 1000, so you can look. If I look for max for against, it will take the dollar to check for that. So with that check that no render a lot, and we take care of our API. So thanks for watching this video, and bye.